I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge hosted by Shana of ShanoukiArt. We're on card number 12 and we are going to do altered playing cards. So for the prompts for this week we have yellow, which I've got different papers with yellow, a doily, buttons, and glitter. And I'm going to use the Stickles glitter. It's neater and it's what I have. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Shana's channel at ShanoukiArt, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge. It's so neat to see what everybody makes. I love this little card, and everybody does something so different. I'll have Shana's channel and the hashtag Full Deck Challenge listed in my description box down below, and the hashtag in my title as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my card. I've got my yellow, my doily. I'm not sure if I mentioned doily at the beginning or not, but the prompts were yellow, doily, buttons, and glitter. So I've got my yellow, I've got my doily, I've got my yellow buttons, and I've got my red glitter, which I use to do the apples. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Shana's channel at ShanoukiArt, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge. So, until next time, bye y'all.